Welcome back to FitLife Fusion, where we dive into all things health, wellness, and nutrition. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of our tips for a healthier life. Today, we're talking about something that everyone could use, a good detox. I'm going to share with you the best detox drinks you can incorporate into your daily routine to help your body flush out toxins, boost your energy, and feel amazing. Let's get started. First up, we have a detox drink that's simple, effective, and probably already in your kitchen: lemon water. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which help support your liver, the body's natural detoxifier. Lemon water supports liver detox and hydrates the body. Drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning helps kickstart your metabolism and aids in digesting fats throughout the day. It also hydrates your body, flushes out toxins, and gives your skin a natural glow. For a simple detox, squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. It's a refreshing and easy way to start your day. Next on the list is green tea, which is loaded with powerful antioxidants called catechins. These compounds help boost your liver's detoxification abilities and promote fat burning. Green tea, rich in catechins and boosts detoxification. Green tea also helps with reducing inflammation and protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. The catechins in green tea not only cleanse your system, but also provide anti-aging benefits. For the best results, aim for 2 to 3 cups of green tea a day. Just remember to avoid adding too much sugar or sweeteners, which can negate the detox effects. And last but not least fantastic detox drink is apple cider vinegar. It may not sound super appealing at first, but trust me, it works wonders. Apple cider vinegar helps balance pH levels, improve digestion, and flush out toxins. Apple cider vinegar balances pH levels and supports digestion. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar aids in detoxifying the liver and boosting your metabolism. It also helps with bloating and improving gut health. To make an easy detox drink, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a glass of water. You can add a teaspoon of honey to make it more palatable. Drink it before meals to improve digestion and detoxify your body. And there you have it, 3 powerful detox drinks that can help your body cleanse itself, boost your energy, and make you feel amazing. From the classic lemon water to the refreshing, there's something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below which detox drink you're excited to try. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.